thinks of lightning bolts as they jump the gaps between the picture, not so perfect memories. The sparks filter down his bones and into his heart. They keep it beating. At least they're here, he says. At least laughter is filling the holes now, instead of his older, more serious brother Silence. And silence is a close cousin of death, and I can climb the family tree of concepts to try and split a bullseye, but at least they got me asking questions. Like, did I just shave a fucking lightning bolt into the side of my head? Is that what I do now? He looks up in a mist of whiskey and slurred southern draws and says, "Boys, I think I need another lightning bolt on the other side of my head to keep this whole lightning bolt business more symmetrical." He bathes in the Cheshire of his friends' mouths. Only once before has he seen smiles so honest as he pulls his hair back to one side and his friends blot out the zigzag patterns of living. "Hold on. I need another drink," he says. "I've been branded so many times, but never on my own accord. This feels righteous." And when it's all done, he looks back at the black hairs on his living room floor and says, "I don't like to admit it, but I'm 20 years old. In 21 days, I'll turn 21, and I don't even know what it means to be a man. But thank you. Thanks for trying to help me figure this out." I hope you all go home tonight. Shave lightning bolts in each other's faces. Kiss so hard the sparks light up your reflection in their eyes. And if you don't have a lover, I hope you find one on your way home. But know that if they leave, your friends will be there to shave lightning bolts into your head.